Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cupcakes with cake mix. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees F and line a muffin tin, then whisk the cake mix with eggs, oil, and water to the package ratio. Gently fold in any extra flavors like vanilla or cocoa without overmixing. Portion batter 2/3 full for consistent domes. Bake until a toothpick comes out clean, and cool fully before frosting for best results. Try simple add-ins to elevate a box mix into bakery-style cupcakes. Fold in a packet of instant pudding mix to boost moisture, or mix zest and extracts for bright, layered flavors. For texture, stir in chocolate chips, nuts, or 1/4 cup of sprinkles, then tap cups to settle batter. Adjust sugar only slightly if using sweet add-ins, and always taste batter before baking when safe to do so. Small changes make a big difference when baking cupcakes from mix. Rotate the pan halfway through baking to ensure even browning and consistent centers, and avoid overfilling cups to prevent spillovers and misshapen domes. Let cupcakes sit in the tin for a few minutes, then transfer to a wire rack to cool completely before frosting. Use a small offset spatula for neat swirls and garnish right before serving to maintain presentation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.